Hi there, this is Jeff Kayle with Keller Williams Realty. I'm out over here at the Aloha Swap Meet today, and I bought a pair of sunglasses. I thought I was getting a great deal, but you know what? They fell apart before I even made it out of here. So I'm going to go to Nordstroms. I'm going to get some. And that's the thing, when you're thinking about selecting a brokerage, you might be considering the split. And I know that there are 100% brokerages out there. While it sounds good, 100% of nothing is nothing, or 100% of one or two deals is not very much. And that's where Keller Williams can help you. Come to KW, we will help get you started, and we're going to create a path for you that will build generational wealth, not only for you, but for your family. So I look forward to connecting with you, and thank you.